Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to change profile picture on ClickUp if you want to go ahead and personalize it, right? So here, as you can see, I don't have any profile picture. You just need to come to the top right. First, click on your profile icon, okay? And here, I can go ahead and click on settings, right? So once I click on settings right here, I will be redirected to this page. Now, to go ahead and change your profile picture, just go ahead and click on your initial for your name. So right here, I'll go ahead and click on this and then click on Add Custom Avatar. And this will go ahead and open up your file explorer once we go ahead and click on Upload. All right, so now I can go ahead and browse through these different pictures. And we're going to look for our channel logo. Here we go. This is our channel logo. I'll just go ahead and click on Open. And the image will begin uploading. Now we can go ahead and crop this image as we please. Okay. And once you're happy, right, you can go ahead and save. So this is it to go ahead and move. Okay, so here we go. This is what it looks like. You can go ahead and click on save. All right, click on save changes here. Make sure you do that at the bottom right to completely save your changes. And you'll see here, our profile picture has been changed. Really that easy.